We just got back from camp last night, and we kind of need food. So I thought out a few different meats, and I'm going to show you guys what I already have done. It's 10:58 in the morning, so lunch is done. And I have something going in the crock pot, but we're also trying to eat out of our freezer to kind of rotate all the foods that we have in there, mostly meats, but we have other things that need to be eaten up from there. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm really excited because I see some like holes in the freezer, if that makes sense, like empty little places, because it's just been so packed, jammed with stuff. So really trying to be intentional in using up stuff from our freezer, our pantry, the fridge, you know the drill. So let me turn you guys around and show you guys what this Monday we're starting with. And yep, one of them is soup, our favorite. Yep, this is potato soup. You guys see me make this all the time. I have this huge ham bone, and you can see that there's still some meat on it, so I'm gonna shred that throughout, but I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. Like I said, it's almost 11, and we are going to have this for lunch. The kids are home. They're doing school from home today, and they're super excited. They've been smelling it, and my kids do not have a problem even eating soup for breakfast. So there's that. So use up that ham bone for the soup. And then I had in a little Ziploc bag some tomato paste in the freezer, so I used that up as well. So there's a few things out of the freezer. And then over here I have grass-fed beef. I'm gonna be making a beef stew, but because this is grass-fed organic, it is a really tough piece of meat. So I just took the pieces and I sauteed them with some flour, salt, and pepper, and then I put it in there, and then I used the seasoning pack from my pantry that just said beef stew, so you just add water in the pack, and then some onions. So I'm gonna, because this meat is so tough, I'm gonna let that go for about an hour or two on its own, and then add carrots and potatoes and peas. I do not have any celery, which would have been good, or some mushrooms, but again, we're just using up what we have, so there's that. And then I also pulled out some, sorry, it's not looking too good, but this looks like just the chicken cut up. And then those are some drumsticks. And then what I'll do is I'll wash those, thaw them out, wash them, and then season them or make soup or whatnot throughout the week, or like just throw them in the air fryer for lunches for my husband. What, are you excited to have soup, Noah?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looks so good and I'm starving.
You're starving. I know. It smells so good. Whenever I make soup, it doesn't matter if they're having lunch or breakfast or whatever. It doesn't matter. They're always starving. They could have just eaten a few minutes ago. They're always ready for a potato soup. Yeah. So let's get you a bowl and get you eating, and then we'll finish. Okay, everyone. So, funny story. I was going to make a quick little tiramisu. You can kind of see the layers. Ladyfingers, coffee, mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, rum, vanilla, sugar. This doesn't have any raw eggs or anything. It's the Laura Vitale recipe. And I don't have any more cocoa powder. So I had these little chocolates that we had from camp. We always have them in our RV for s'mores. So I just kind of put those on top. I grinded them very small. And I'm gonna pop it in the fridge. I'm sure it's still gonna be delicious. It's not a traditional tiramisu, but who knows, maybe we'll end up liking it better with the chocolate, because it's milk chocolate and my kids tend to like milk chocolate over dark chocolate better. And then this is what the beef stew is looking like. It has been going for a few hours. It's almost 3 o'clock. There's the situation with the soup. That was definitely lunch. It's almost gone. So I did add the potatoes, and I did make a slurry with cornstarch and added the peas. I don't have any celery or mushrooms in here, but I have onions, garlic, peas, carrots, and potatoes, and the beef obviously. And then to go with that, I decided to make some homemade mashed potatoes. So I'm just bringing those up to a boil. I just kind of want to finish up. I have the dishwasher going. I have some more dishes that need to go in the dishwasher. I had all that chicken that was in there. I washed it and seasoned it and put it in the fridge. And then I left some without any seasoning. Maybe I want to make soup or something. We'll see. But we'll use that, and that's what's going on. Just close to 3 o'clock. We finished school. The sun is out. There's our fire pit, our trampoline, and I just have all the windows and doors open just to get fresh air. And we'll have a nice little dessert in a few hours. All right, guys, here's the beef stew with mashed potatoes. It smells absolutely delicious. and I'm sure it's going to be really good. So that's what we're having for dinner. We'll see you. So here's the tiramisu with the chocolate instead of the cocoa powder. I took a few bites. I'm not going to lie. It's really good. It doesn't have that, you know, cocoa powder taste, but it's still really delicious. And I could definitely see myself making this in the future with chocolate instead of the cocoa powder. I think the kids like it a lot more this way as well. So yeah, great little dessert. And that's gonna wrap up for today. Hi everyone, so it is Tuesday night and I usually do not fry chicken like this, but we just got back from a bike ride and yep, we're gonna eat fried chicken in olive oil. And we have polenta over there because the leftovers from yesterday are gone. So this is the first round. I just put salt and pepper and I'm frying it up. I poked some holes so that he can go through, and we're gonna have a quick little dinner. It is Wednesday, and as you guys can tell, my kids already had lunch. I made more of that chicken gnocchi soup because I love it to know it, because I had the other half of the half and half carton, and I used some more chicken that I had in the freezer. And I did get some spinach. It looks like someone picked out all the spinach and ate it already out of the soup. And then in the oven, I have some drumsticks that I've been marinating with seasoning in the fridge since Monday. And I think I'm just going to do a simple Caesar salad or maybe some rice next to them and call it good. So this is what one of the trays look like. And then I have another one in there. I'm going to turn them off. I took the tin foil off the top. I'm just gonna let them get a little crispy. They're so delicious. Hi everyone, it is Friday night, and tonight we are having rice and fish. Emma made the rice. David made the fish. Yes, Noah, I love you too. And yeah, this is what it turned out. And he put lemon and garlic on the fish, and it looks like some parsley. So the kids made the meal all together. We had a huge bag of Caesar salad, but we ate that already, waiting for the food. So the Caesar salad is gone. Yep. So we'll see you guys. Hi everyone, it is Friday night and we are doing a little stir fry. Actually, it was David's idea. I'm just kind of helping him out a little bit. We had a bunch of carrots in a can. I bought a bunch of cans from the Dollar Tree back last year. I had a bell pepper, some frozen green beans, frozen broccoli. He added an onion and he is peeling away some garlic. So we'll do that, and then we'll use some of this that I got on clearance. There's this teriyaki sauce. And then we were given this huge bag of couscous. Never made couscous, but the instructions are pretty easy. So I have 3 cups of couscous in there going. And then I had a little packet of like the powdered bone broth that we were given. So I want to use those up. So I boiled it in the bone broth because that'll give it a little bit more flavor, I'm assuming. And then he has some sausages going in the air fryer, which need to be poked a little bit. David, you want to put the knife in that just really quick? And then he cut up some of these cherry tomatoes, and we'll add those at the end on the stir fry. I think it's going to come together really good. Honestly, we're just trying to use up what we have in the freezer and pantry and stuff. So yeah, what do you think, David? It's going to be good? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. David's adding some chilies to his. I think for a clean out the fridge freezer kind of a meal, it turned out really good. The couscous, like I said, I've never made it, but it turned out really good. I did add some salt to it. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious. First time, I don't know if I've ever eaten couscous. I think this is my first time. I'm not sure, but I don't remember it anyway. Let's just say if I have, it's been so long that I don't remember. But yeah, this is David's plate, and we're gonna. Hi everyone, it is Saturday night, and we are just having hot dogs in the air fryer with all the fixing, and these are the ballpark ones, and that's what we're having for dinner. It is Sunday. I was gonna say Friday. It's Sunday, and for dinner tonight, I just went to Costco, and I was so tempted to get a pizza, but I saw the seasoned drumsticks, and there's a lot of them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook them all up, because I like to do them on the grill, but tonight we're just doing them in the air fryer. Look at that, they're turning out really nicely. And then very easy, I just did a chicken Knorr side, 2 packets, and that's what we're having. And then I have some pickles in the fridge, and that's going to be instead of a salad, and we're just keeping it really simple. So thank you so much for watching this week again for what's for dinner, what we're eating. And if you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.